Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add an FPV camera to the Eachine E016H micro brushed quadcopter. I chose this quadcopter because I've already tested it and I can tell you that it is extremely easy to control it, which makes it perfect for beginners. In addition, its blades are protected inside a cage, so you can fly it relatively safe inside the house and around people. One of its key features is that it has long flight times, and I got close to 8 minutes using the included 350 mAh 1S LiPo battery. And finally, it's also very cheap, and the version that comes with 2 LiPo batteries costs less than $20. The all-in-one camera that I'm going to use is the Caddx Beetle V1. It features an 800 TV line sensor, field of view of 170 degrees, its aspect ratio is 4:3, and you can get it either in an NTSC or PAL picture format. The camera itself is pretty small. Its VTX supports 40 channels and its output strength is 25 mW. And one of its best features is that it supports DC voltage between 2.5 to 5.5 volts, which is perfect for these micro brushed 1S quadcopters. At the moment of shooting this video, this camera is sold for around $12, so getting these two products together is going to cost you around $30. Inside the box of the Eachine E016H, you're getting the quadcopter, a simple USB charger, a screwdriver, and one set of spare propellers, the remote controller, which is operated by 2 AA batteries, which are not included, the user manual, and either 1, 2, or 3 1S 350 mAh 25C LiPo batteries, depending on the version that you've got. In case you wonder if you can bind a multi-protocol remote controller to the Eachine E016H, it might be possible, but unfortunately I didn't manage to do it. In order to add the FPV camera, you will need first of all to remove the top part of the quadcopter. It is done by just loosening these clips over here, and I think the easiest way to do it is just to use a pair of tweezers and just press it like that, and do it carefully until the top part is going to be removed. After removing the top canopy, I discovered this 3-pins connector, and using a multimeter I found that the right pin is the VCC and the center pin is the ground, which is going to make it even easier to add the FPV camera, because all you have to do is just to plug in the camera in this manner and it won't require you any soldering work. Now I'm going to open a small hole on the front for the camera's wire. I was actually confused, and this is the front part of the quadcopter, so I opened another hole, and now I can simply insert the camera connector through the new one. Now I can simply connect the camera connector to the newly discovered port on the top of the quadcopter. I'm also going to pop the antenna up from the top because maybe it's going to extend a little bit the radio receiver's range. And now I'm going to simply close back the canopy. Before fixing its camera in its position, I recommend to check that everything is working. So just plug in the battery. And by the way, this is one of the main downsides of the quadcopter, because the battery connector is a little bit problematic and sometimes it's hard to connect the battery. So you can see that the quadcopter powers up. Now I'm going to mount the camera in its position using this super UV light glue. So I'm just going to apply a little bit over here on the top of the canopy. Then just press the camera, turn on the UV light, and you need to hold it like that for about 20 seconds. Now as you can see, the camera is fixed. And by the way, of course, if you don't have super UV glue, you can always use double-sided tape, although it's going to add some more weight and it's not going to be as elegant as this solution. Now I'm going to set up the frequency of the camera. So in order to switch between the channels, you will need to just short press the button on the top. I'm going to set it to channel 1. And in order to set the band, you will need to long press this button. I'm going to set it to band F. The channel is indicated by the red LED and the band by the blue LED. So I'm going to set it to the 4th from the left. And now it's set to 5740. And as you can see, we can see the video on the screen. The total weight of the FPV upgrade Eachine E016H is 21.6 grams, not including the battery, and 31.1 grams including it. And since the Caddx Beetle V1 camera weighs only about 3 grams, I don't think that the flight time is going to be reduced dramatically. The next thing I'm going to do is to fly it around the house, and I'm also going to let my wife try it and see how she's going to perform, which is interesting because she doesn't have any FPV experience. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you in the end of it in order to give you my conclusion.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
So overall, if you're looking for a cheap platform to learn FPV or to teach someone else, I think that this is a pretty good solution. It took my wife a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but considering that this was her practically first FPV experience, I think that she did quite well. And also, it is a very durable quadcopter. She crashed it and also I did into the wall a couple of times and no harm was done. In addition, the flight time was close to 5 minutes when the camera was mounted, which is quite good as well. And the only downside is that the remote controller is not very accurate, and it would have been great if you could just bind it to your Taranis, but if you'd like to do so, there are other options that will enable you to do it. You can also set the rates by pressing this button over here, so when you hear one beep, it means that you are on the slowest rate, and when you hear triple beeps, it means that it's on its highest level. Finally, in terms of range, I can estimate that you can get between 20 to 30 meters, which is not bad at all. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this quadcopter or the camera or the combination of both, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.